So we showed these off at CES 2026, and Alphacool are once again back with the Apex Monoblocks. So these are very unique monoblocks for one simple reason. As you can see, there's a whole bunch of different ones here, but they're all slightly different. And if you look real close, and if, like me, you have an unhealthy amount of knowledge about every single motherboard on the market, they may look a bit familiar to you. Well, that's because they are specifically designed to not only fit the shape, but also the design language of the various motherboards on the market. So instead of just buying a monoblock that's just vaguely black and gamery and edgy looking, well, you can get one that specifically matches the design of your board. So for example, you have one right here which is based just off the MSI X870 Tomahawk, or from the Asus TUF Gaming X870 Plus. So you can basically just go in and get whichever ones specifically fit your build. But that's not where it ends, because you can make your Alphacool water cooling glue fit your case even better with another really cool thing they have. And that is special distribution blocks that are designed around the cases themselves. So you can go to the website and see all of the various designs and all the various vendors that they are working with to bring this to life. So whatever kind of hardware you're using, odds are Alphacool, well, they probably have something for you. Huge thanks to Gavin Burns, Justin Rage, Alan Vroniak, Balazs Rokan, Nala Sudin, Meg Sonderstein, Orcraft and Mason Magruder.